Hello, explorers. Hi, my name is Nature Guy, and this is my nature show called Nature Walk. Come with me as we're going to explore the wonders of nature. Come on, let's go. Follow me. Don't be scared. Now this is the plant part of my show. So, now, here. Look at this. It's plant. Leaves make up the plants. The insides of leaves. Plants all around us. Plants, let us live. Hi, this is the water portion of our show. So, anyway, this is water, and it's a stream, and it goes around here. And water can also be found in many places, like here. And there are also fish in the water. You can't really see them, but they're here. Oh, and here's another thing about water. Follow me. These things are magnificent creatures called rocks. They usually lie around for most of their life. Well, for all of their life. They are truly magnificent because there are different kinds. Now this concludes the water portion. Hi, this is the animal portion of my show. So, let's walk and see if we can find any animals. Wait. Whoa! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's a lizard. You don't have to be scared because I'm going for it. Here I go. Got it. Okay, so we just got that lizard, and so now we're going to see if there are any bigger animals over here. Wait a second. Wait just 1 second. If I'm right, there's a bear in there. Well, I think we both know what to do. Okay, I think we lost the bear. Well, that concludes Nature Walk. Goodbye, explorers.